This nursing mother is so thirsty, she's drinking directly from a pool infested with 60 starving crocs. This hungry female teenager has her eyes on the reckless baboon. The mother keeps drinking. This is a huge mistake. The croc grabs both mother and baby. The Nile crocodile has one of the most powerful bites on Earth. The croc's sharp conical teeth are designed to sink into her catch's flesh, allowing for a grip that is almost impossible to loosen. Her next move, drown her victims. But clamping down on both mother and baby proves tricky. The croc adjusts her bite, and with impeccable timing, Mom escapes. But her broken arm is a death sentence. Her family raises the alarm. In the confusion, she dropped her baby. He's alive, but only just. The baboons must distract the croc before she gets the baby. First, the baby's uncle taunts the croc with his body. He swings out of the way like a matador and uses his most lethal weapon, sharp canine teeth. His canines are 2 inches long, almost as long as a lion's. He aims right for her back. The skin on the crocodile's back is thickened by bony plates, and armor so tough, a knife would struggle to pierce it. She escapes his bite and snatches the baby. But now the other crocodiles want to steal her snack, so she leaves the water. This time, she has Dad to contend with. At 70 pounds, he's a worthy adversary. He pummels her again and again, chasing and grabbing the croc to try to make her drop his baby. The croc is beat. She heads back to the water without the baby. The baboon's teamwork crushes the super predator, but Dad's heroic rescue is too late. The baboon's troop have lost a member, but their family spirit is unscathed.